Today I'm going to show you how to multiply two-digit by one-digit numbers using traditional method and area model. First, we're going to start with area model. When multiplying by area model, you have to draw out what looks like a box or a window, but we don't call this the box method. We call it area model because it's the same way of finding the area of a specific space. So we have our example, 46 times 3. Step 1 is to expand our factors. So 46 in expanded form would be 40 plus 6. Now we place our numbers around our area model. The 3 would go here because it's just one digit. Because there are two boxes here, those are where our other two numbers go, 40 plus 6. Now, we meet our numbers on our grid to create a multiplication problem. For example, 40 times 3 and 6 times 3. Let's say we're not as fluent with our math facts as we should be. Please feel free to use the resource of a multiplication chart to help you. We're going back to solve 40 times 3. Now, the easier way to do this is cover up my 0. 3 times 4 is 12. And then because I covered up my 0, I know I have to put the 0 back on there, which represents me multiplying by 10. Next box is 6 times 3. Now that we found our products, we will add the two together. 120 plus 18. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. So my final product is 138. Now I'm going to show you how this relates to our traditional method. We are really doing the same steps, except for area model, you're really understanding the place value of a number. So we start with our ones place. 6 times 3 is 18. We keep our 1, we carry our 10. Our next step is to do 3 times 4. So many people think this is just 3 times 4, but in reality, it's 3 times 40. We forget that the place value is in the tens place, which makes this 4 or 40 versus just 4. When we multiply those together, it's 12. We add our 1 to our tens place to get 138. Now you've just seen an example of area model and traditional method of multiplying two-digit by one-digit number.